Alright, hello everybody, it's Team Rocket Dross here with another Pokemon card opening. And for this video guys, we're gonna be opening the Sword and Shield Vivid Voltage Elite Trainer box. And just ahead of time guys, I'm not feeling 100, so if you guys hear me out of breath, I just got out of the hospital the other day. I was there for 5 days due to COVID. I'm fine, it's just I'm not 100 yet, but I just wanted to do some more card openings, so hopefully you guys can just excuse my lack of breath or my voice, because I know I sound a little funny as well. But yeah, I've been excited guys about this. So here's the box that I bought. I think I got this for $40 or $30, I can't remember exactly. I got this from the Pokemon Center, so if you guys are interested, you guys can look it up. Pokemon Center is the official Pokemon website, I guess you could say, and I was able to get this and pre-order it from them, and I recently got it like a week ago, so I'm pretty excited. We do get 8 booster packs guys from Vivid Voltage. We get some deck dividers, as well as some sleeves, some dice, and some energies, as well as a little, I think what was like a little booklet, some damage counters, a little book, and the actual case where we could store the Pokemon stuff. So I'm pretty sure you guys have seen these before, so I guess let me open it really quick. And I'm just hoping that you guys either have or had a nice Christmas. I know this year has been really rough guys for a lot of us, especially for me and my family. Everybody got sick in my home, but we're all pushing through, and everybody's getting better, and that's what matters, right? So I hope you guys had a decent holidays, I guess, either if you don't celebrate or you do Christmas. Anything that you guys might celebrate, or you guys like doing these at the end of this year, you know, at the end of the year, any holidays you guys might celebrate. Hope you guys have an amazing, if not, then still have an amazing end of the year, and I wish you nothing but the best. So let's actually look at the little booklet here that we get. It's a nice little book. I think it's a player's guide, so it contains all the stuff about the cards and some of the ones that we could actually get. So if we go through them, so let's actually see some of the cards that I'd want to pull from this set. So far, the Celebi right here, amazing rare. That's actually one of the ones that I want, as well as the Raikou. We got a nice Charizard regular rare over here. It seems like we have some V's as well. The Gigantamax Pikachu, that's the one everybody wants. Obviously there's a Rainbow rare that is the go-to for this set, but there's some really cool cards here, so hopefully we get something really good. Got another amazing rare Saiyan over here. So it seems like there's a few so far. And oh, that Colossal, that's one of my favorite Pokemon, by the way guys, from the new series, so for sure I want to get one of these two. We got a Samacenta amazing rare down there. So oh, look at that Steelix right there in the bottom. Man, that's a beautiful card. Oh, we got the Jirachi amazing rare over here at the top. So nice. Seems like we got Aegislash as well. We got the Rayquaza amazing rare down here. So there's actually quite a few amazing rares that you could get. I know there's a Raikou as well. It seems like I missed it. And then here we have all the full arts. For the full arts that I'd probably want the Alakazam. And I really like the Alakazam, and of course the Colossal. These two are probably my go-tos. Money wise, to be honest, I don't know which one's better off. We got some Rainbow rares down here. Obviously this is the go-to, the VMAX Pikachu, but just for my own collection, what I want, those are the ones that I'd go for. And then we got some Rainbow rares and some gold cards. I think this is the one that people want right here, but we'll take anything that we get, right? So pretty excited about that. So let me open the box. and just pull out some of the stuff. I don't think I need to show you guys everything, so I'm just gonna take out all the stuff necessary. You guys can see right here, we got, in case you guys want to look at the sleeves, they're actually pretty cool. We have the energies that I never take out, there's no need to. We do have the code card right here for you guys, so hopefully you guys get something good right there for the Elite Trainer box. We got the dividers like I mentioned before, a little book, Pokemon trading card rules. We have the dice right here, and then we also have our 8 booster packs that are what the whole thing's about. Another thing that I want to show you guys is that in the inside of this, the sleeve for the box is like a little poster that you guys could have, just in case you guys weren't aware of that. That's right there. And yeah, so we're all set to go. We got 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and these seem faded for some reason. I don't know if it's just me or I'm getting dizzy or whatnot, because that's one of those things, guys. I tend to get dizzy really easily, so I apologize. But yeah, we got this is from actual Pokemon Center, so I know everything's legit. And let's start to opening them, guys. Let's start off with the Pikachu. I've only opened a few of these from Vivid Voltage. Probably opened like 20 packs so far. Haven't gotten anything good, so we're hoping to switch everything around and pull out something amazing today. Here's the code card. 1 2 3 4, I believe. And like I mentioned before, guys, I apologize if I run out of breath or anything. It's just that I'm not 100. So here's we're gonna start out with the water energy, Sep Striker. We got a Dusclops, Beauty. Because one of the things that I wanted to mention was that a lot of you guys were letting me know that you guys like Pokemon, but you guys didn't know where to start. So reverse is gonna be a Chromaron, which is an uncommon, sitting that Aracuda, I think it's called. And now for our first rare and last card of the pack, it's gonna be a regular rare Crocodile. So let's actually set that aside for a reverse. But you guys were saying like you guys didn't know where to start to open Pokemon packs and whatnot, and I think this is the set that you guys would want to start in, just because Pokemon is not a cheap hobby, guys. It's actually pretty expensive. You don't get much out of it. You know, you gotta be almost like really lucky to get something out of it. It's more just having fun and going with it. But if you guys are interested in like making money, then it's not gonna work out that easy for you guys, because there's a lot of money involved in this. But I guess one of the better sets that you guys could start off with just for fun would be this set right here, just because you have so many different things you could go for, like those amazing rares. You also got that Pikachu. I think it's like $200 Pikachu, and it seems like we got something shiny in the bag, so I'm pretty excited about that. Cottony. A reverse is gonna be a Dreadnought, which is a rare. And now for our first rare of the pack, guys, in the video, or not our first rare, but our first amazing rare, or not an amazing rare, I don't even know what I'm saying. Our first ultra rare is what I'm trying to say. We ended up getting, we ended up getting that Colossal that I wanted. Nice, Colossal V. Wow, it's a beautiful card. Searing Flame for 90, which for 3 energy. Your opponent's active Pokemon is now burned. And then for 180, Boulder Crush for 4 energy. So that's actually a really cool card right here. I don't have it, so for sure I'll take it, right? And I might catch my air a little bit, guys, after this, just because I feel like I'm running out of air a little bit. So I might get a drink of water really quick. But a nice first rare of the video, ultra rare. Ooh, we finally pulled it. Nice. Alright, I think I feel a little bit better. Got a drink of water. Now let's go for, I believe, our third pack. So only see 2 reverse hollows in the back. And so far we pulled a Colossal V. Nice. That's the card we were aiming for. I would have wished it would have been the full or something, or the rainbow rare, but I'll take the V for sure. Here's the code card. Another good set that you guys could invest into if you guys want to open. It's a little bit more expensive, but it's gonna be either Hidden Fates, Shining Fates, or the new set that's coming next year, and in February or something like that, which is gonna be Shining Fate. No, yeah, Shining Fates or something like that. I can't remember the name. It's kind of Hidden Fates and Shining Fates put together. It's kind of like another Hidden Fates part 2. So our reverse is gonna be a Momo Cheese, and our rare is gonna be a regular rare Fortress. So not bad. So now for the next pack, got another chubby Pikachu. Let me know how your holidays have been going, guys. I don't know when this video is gonna be up. Probably today's Thursday, so this is probably going on Saturday. So let me know how your holidays went, if you guys celebrated or did anything. If not, then hopefully you guys got some rest, especially from school, right? I know school work could be a little bit stressful sometimes. So we got a Sableye, which is gonna be my favorite art of the video so far. It's actually a really cool Sableye. I've never seen that card before. Just set that aside back here next to Bulbasaur. Galvantula, Cottonee, Mudray, Slugma. We got a Crying Wishmer, Execute. Our reverse is going to be an Excadrill, which is an uncommon. And for our rare and final card of the pack is going to be a regular rare All Creamy. So there we go, guys. Nothing good that right there other than that Sableye. That's a really cool Excadrill as well, but it's not a rare. I expect that to be a rare. And so far we got decent pulls. I think I have another Vivid Voltage coming, Elite Trainer box coming soon. And then I have a few blister packs that I'm gonna open as well. So there's actually quite a few videos that I got coming up for you guys for Pokemon card openings. If you guys are interested in these, I got quite a few Pokemon cards in stock right now that I just need to record and whatnot. So if you guys are interested and like all these card openings, here's a code card. There's a link in the description for a Pokemon card opening playlist where I have all my different card openings since I started my channel, and all the way up to the most recent one. So if you guys are interested, make sure to go check them out, guys. So we got an Inkata, Drober, Wilmer, Cottonee. A reverse is gonna be a Beldum, and for a rare, it's gonna be, ooh, we ended up pulling the Charizard. Nice. I'm gonna sleeve this up just because I know that even the Charizard from this set is worth something. Not that I'm doing this for money or anything, it's just rather have it sleeved up than not, right? Alright, so now for the next one, I still want an amazing rare. I think it's like 1 out of 20 pulls to get one of those. And I think the one I want is the Rayquaza. That's like the main one that I really want. I really like the Raikou as well, and the Celebi and the Jirachi. So I think either of them, but if I were to pick one, I think it would be Rayquaza. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rayquaza is a really cool Pokemon, as well as Raikou, one of the legendary trio dogs. So we got a Psychic Energy, a really cool Shuckle. We got a Nuzleaf. This is a big set. There's 185 cards in this set, by the way, so it's a pretty big set. We're gonna come across a lot of cards that we haven't seen yet. Oh, nice. So it seems like the Samacenta, the amazing rares, are in the reverse hollow spot. Whoa, and the regular rare Explode. I was not expecting that. I forgot about the Samacenta. Wow, I'm shaking, guys. I don't know if you guys could see that. I'm shaking a little bit. So it has Samacenta. This is the first time ever holding one in person or seeing one in person. Metal Armament. Attach a basic energy card from your disc pile to this Pokemon. Does 30 for 1, and then Amazing Shield for 180 during your opponent's next turn. Prevent all damage done to this Pokemon attacks by attacks from Pokemon VMAX for 3 energy. You need a Lightning, Fighting, and a Steel, I believe. Can't really see, guys, because it's shiny. I don't know if you guys can see that. They're actually shiny. Yeah, it's a Steel energy at the bottom, the last one. So I imagine it's a little hard to pull out, but that's a really cool card right here. are my first amazing rare, so I gotta say this elite trainer box is a hit for me. I know not a lot of people have been able to pull any of these, so man, that's a beautiful card right there. I think that's gonna be our Save a Life for our favorite art of the video. So sorry, Save a Life, I'm probably gonna switch you for another video, man. You're really cool though. Set those aside. We still got 2 more packs, so let's leave the chubby Pikachu for the end and let's go for the Orbeetle and see if we get another amazing rare. There's still a chance to get more than one thing per elite trainer box. I know you could either get a lot of hits, you could get just a couple hits, 1 hit, or you could literally just not get anything. You're not I don't think you're guaranteed anything from this set, guys. But now at least we know that the amazing rares are in the reverse spot, so now we got that to look forward to. To be honest, I didn't know where they were at before. I did have an idea, but not exactly. Our reverse is gonna be a Charmeleon, and for a rare and last card of the video, or the pack I mean, it's gonna be a regular rare Garbodor. So it seems like holos are a little rare in this set as well, but I imagine so. Yes, this pack was, no, we didn't get anything good. So unfortunately, we're gonna end off the video on a bad note, but hey, we pulled an amazing rare, so I'll take it any day, as well as that Charizard and the Colossal VMAX that we wanted. So other than that, guys, I think we did really good. If you guys want to get into Pokemon and open Pokemon cards, like I mentioned before, this is gonna be the set you guys want to start off with, just because there's just so many stuff you could get out there right now. And I know that Pokemon is reproducing. It's not reproducing, it's putting more Pokemon content out there now, so there should be a lot more stuff for you guys following up in the next year. Just because Pokemon hit it off so big, the demand was too high for what they had, so that's why it was kind of hard to get anything. But now I think Pokemon stepped up their game, and there should be more stuff for everybody. And ultimately, guys, we ended up pulling the Charizard that I wanted, Samacent amazing rare, and then the Colossal V for the 3 hits of the video. So I gotta say, my favorite art of the video, guys, has to be the Samacenta. Just the amazing rare in general. I think these are just beautiful cards. Like I always thought, like I never knew what Pokemon was gonna bring up next with like different sets after different generations and whatnot, like going from the GX to the V, you know, EX, the holos and all these different type of cards. Like I never knew what the next step was. I don't know how they were gonna get better, and just coming out with these amazing rares, these are just beautiful cards. And hopefully this is something they do from now on, because like these are just beautiful. But yeah, guys, so this is gonna be my favorite of the video. I think you guys know why. One, just the actual Pokemon in general, you guys can see most of it, although I wish you would have been able to see like the whole Pokemon. Like even though instead of being cut off right there at the top, I wish it would have just still came out with these amazing rares. I think some of the other ones actually pop out of the picture, so I wish they would have done that the same with this. But just the colors, like I don't think the video does it justice than it does in person, but the colors are so vibrant. It's like literally like glitter. So, and then what like takes me back a little bit is just the actual holo on the energies right here, and it's just like amazing, guys. And then I think it's just the colors that just do this card magic. And yeah, guys, so I think that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Please let me know in the comment section what you guys thought, and hopefully you guys had an amazing year. And I guess I'll just talk to you guys on the next one. Team Rocket Draws out.